Imagine feeling that thrill each week as you check your bank account and see the results of your strategic investments. It's not just about the numbers, it's about embracing that peace of mind knowing that you are building sustainable income. With careful planning and knowledge, you can make the concept of weekly dividends a reality. This is where your journey into understanding and profiting from dividends begins. Picture this. You wake up on the first of the month, and there's money waiting for you. You sip your coffee, feeling that financial security. With the right mix of stocks, your routine becomes a symphony of income, where each dividend payment plays its part, contributing to a harmonious financial life. Think of it as orchestrating your personal cash machine that pays you consistently, week after week. The key lies in your choices and how you build this steady flow of income. Now, let's dive into the specific stocks that can help you achieve this dream. One of the standout choices for your weekly dividend strategy is Realty Income Corp., affectionately known as the Monthly Dividend Company. It's not just a catchy title, they've maintained a remarkable record of paying dividends for over 620 consecutive months. Their yield hovers around 5%, making them a reliable player in the real estate investment trust sector. When paired with stocks that pay in different weeks, Realty Income can lay a solid foundation for your income stream, ensuring that you receive payments like clockwork. As we move through these options, you'll see how each one can contribute to your growing portfolio. Let's introduce some more exciting options to diversify your dividend income stream. First, consider Stag Industrial, STAG. This industrial REIT typically pays dividends around mid-month, presenting a yield of approximately 4%. It's ideal for investors seeking consistent income while capitalizing on the growth of the industrial sector. Another great choice is Gladstone Investment Corp., GAIN. Paying out early each month, with a robust yield of around 6-7%, this stock focuses on business development, offering exposure to small businesses and delivering substantial cash flow. Each of these options complements Realty Income and significantly enhances your overall weekly income strategy. Now, let's not forget about Main Street Capital, Main, another gem in the realm of dividend stocks. Known for its reliable payouts around the 14th of each month, it boasts a yield of approximately 6%. As a business development company, it provides investors with a unique opportunity to delve into various small and medium-sized businesses, creating a robust cash flow channel. Imagine receiving those dividends consistently while supporting growth in diverse sectors. Each month, as you enjoy your dividend from Maine, you're not just earning money, you're empowering businesses that contribute to the economy. That's the beauty of strategically chosen stocks. They work for you while fostering growth in the communities they serve. Another valuable addition to your dividend-paying portfolio is AGNC Investment Corp., AGNC. This mortgage real estate investment trust typically pays at the end of the month, offering a high yield of around 13%. While it carries a higher risk due to the volatile nature of mortgage rates, the potential for substantial monthly payouts makes it an attractive option for savvy investors. By incorporating AGNC into your strategy, you can enhance your cash flow while balancing your risk exposure. Just imagine the thrill of seeing that payment hit your account as you turn the page into a new month, knowing your diversified investments are working hard for you. Another appealing option worthy of your attention is EPR Properties, EPR. This unique REIT pays dividends monthly, with yields ranging from 7% to 8%, and diversifies its portfolio with entertainment venues like movie theaters and ski resorts. How exciting is it to think about earning income from investments tied to fun, leisure, and community activities? When you include EPR in your weekly dividend strategy alongside others, you not only build a robust financial foundation but also bring a touch of entertainment into your cash flow plan. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your investments pay off while being part of industries that bring joy to many. Each of these stocks plays a significant role in crafting your ideal portfolio, where your money continuously fuels your goals and passions. As we wrap up this exploration of weekly dividend stocks, keep in mind that the journey to financial freedom is built on informed choices and smart strategies. Each stock we've discussed adds its unique melody to your financial symphony, creating a diverse and harmonious income stream. Whether you're enjoying careful planning or celebrating small milestones, remember that consistent contributions can lead to a richer financial future. With patience and persistence, your efforts can transform into a reliable, thriving income source, one that pays you weekly and enriches your life, week after week. Now, let's visualize this strategy in action. Imagine having a diversified portfolio where your weekly investments work like a finely tuned machine, producing consistent dividends that flow into your account. By combining realty income, stag, gain, main, AGNC, and EPR, you're crafting the perfect blend for financial success, making weekly income a tangible reality. With strategic choices in your portfolio, remember, you're not just accumulating wealth. You're creating a lifestyle centered around financial freedom. Embrace the journey, engage with your investments, and let them empower your dreams. As we say goodbye, keep investing wisely, fostering growth, and allowing your money to make a lasting impact. This is Echo Vision, signing off.